It's finally time to try and start Kruella after 1.5 years. I think she's finally ready. I tried to start her a couple days ago, but it wouldn't start. I was originally thinking it was the carburetor, but now I think it was the fuel pump. So here we go. There's no seats in it, so I'm sitting on the floor. All right, here we go. Are you fucking kidding me? Come on. Whoa! We got a little bit. What was that? Try number 3 or 4?
3.
All right, one more. I'm gonna put the dog inside and open the garage door.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. We're gonna see if it can start idling smoothly. Wow, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
First start, everybody. Thinking about going right. Thinking about it. Alright, I'm not going to torture it too much more. At least it's running. Oh, there we go. Alright, that was pretty good. I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. Thanks for watching.